Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated wiring? Scosche's car stereo dash kits and vehicle wiring harnesses offer a straightforward, reliable solution that connects your aftermarket stereo directly to your factory amplified system. No cutting wires, no guesswork. For over 40 years, Scosche has built a reputation for producing high-quality, affordable installation accessories that car enthusiasts trust. They understand how much your vehicle matters to you, which is why every product is designed and engineered to meet the highest standards. When you choose Scosche, you're not just buying a part, you're investing in a seamless upgrade experience backed by a company that stands behind its work. One standout feature is the direct connection to your factory harness, eliminating the need to modify or splice wires. The harness uses factory-quality wire and connectors with standard color coding, making installation intuitive and less time-consuming. This means fewer mistakes and a cleaner setup, even if you're not a professional installer. Customers consistently praise Scosche for their dependable products. Take, for example, a 2005 F-150 XLT owner who found the wiring harness worked perfectly right out of the box. Extra wires that weren't needed were easy to manage, thanks to pre-stripped ends at just the right length, small details that make a big difference during installation. Beyond the product itself, Scosche offers lifetime tech support. That means whenever you have questions, whether during installation or years down the road, their knowledgeable team is ready to assist. Plus, every 12 volts installation accessory comes with a limited lifetime warranty, showing the company's confidence in their durability and performance. If you want a hassle-free way to upgrade your car's audio system without risking damage to your factory wiring, Scosche's car stereo dash kits and wiring harnesses are worth a look. They deliver what matters most: quality, ease, and peace of mind. Try it when you're ready to experience a smarter, cleaner install.